Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, August 5 to 7, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat beginning today, Wednesday through Thursday. We have the strengthening of the easterly surface wind flow, and it's now affecting most parts of Eastern Luzon, including central portions of Luzon, Metro Manila, Bicol Region, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Masbate, Samar provinces, Batanes Group of Islands, and the Calamian Group of Islands. So expect some cloudy conditions with passing isolated to widespread rain showers and thunderstorms. While here across the Sulu Sea, we have a low pressure area. Actually, this was once LPA 93W and it has weakened throughout the evening, and it's now over the west coast of Zamboanga Peninsula. And this LPA is embedded within an active monsoon trough affecting Mindanao, Sulu, as well as the offshore areas of Bangsamoro. That includes Holosulu, Basilan, and also here across the Palawan area, the Calayan Island Group, and most parts of Visayas. So still, localized thunderstorms will be expected, especially in the afternoon or evening, as this system moves towards Palawan through the evening. And outside the PAR, we don't have any developing LPA as of this time, including tropical cyclones. So it's all clear for the next 5 days. Up here, we have the ex-tropical depression Hagupit, which was once Dindo, and it's now moving away from Shanghai, China, in the general direction of the Korean Peninsula. So it is just an area of low pressure being absorbed by a stationary front over here. And that's it. That's the latest for today. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see this moving cloudiness brought about by the easterly surface wind flow, which is quite strong as of this time. Actually, it is unusual to see these easterlies being strong at this point of time, since it is now the time of the Habagat, or the southwest monsoon, but because of an upcoming La Nina phenomenon. So that's the reason why the easterlies is quite strong with lesser tropical cyclone development. So we are going to observe this LPA. Once it reaches the West Philippine Sea or South China Sea, it might develop into a tropical depression and tropical storm and might head towards southern China once again without any threat to the Philippine Islands. And as we look at windy.com zoom-in satellite animation, courtesy of UMETSAT, you can clearly see many localized thunderstorms across most parts of the country, particularly here in northern and central Luzon, portions of the Bicol Region, Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, Palawan, and Mindanao. You can see also here in the areas of eastern Visayas. But these thunderstorms will dissipate after 1 to 2 hours, and then another one will pass by. And that's it. Now, let's take a look at our rain and wind forecast from windy.com. This is based from the European model. So tomorrow afternoon, Thursday, still some isolated, scattered to widespread rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected all throughout the country due to the prevailing monsoon trough and the easterly surface wind flow. And as we move through Friday, still some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected in most parts of the country, particularly here along central Luzon, southern Tagalog provinces, Visayas, except for the areas of Mindanao, Leyte, where lesser possibility of thunderstorms will be expected. So far, that's the latest for today's tropical weather analysis, and we will be returning again come Friday. From Typhoon2000.com, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.